Vertical turning lathe series are designed especially for high precision, high rigidity, high stability, super heavy cutting, and non-symmetric workpieces. Use FANUC high horsepower, high torque axle motor to incorporate with German ZF 2-speed transmission case to make this machine possess both high torsion and high revolution ability at the same time, and to develop its cutting function to maximum extent. Heavy cutting depends on output horsepower. This machine uses FANUC high horsepower axis motor and German ZF 2-speed transmission case to incorporate with high torsion output. High horsepower axis motor, high efficient transmission case may display heavy cutting effect and meet all kinds of heavy cutting conditions of modern CNC vertical lathe. The lathe bottom is of case structure, thick wall and multiple layers rib wall design to bring down the heat transformation minimum. It may bear static and dynamic torsion and transformation, expending pressure to ensure the high rigidity and high stability on lathe bottom. Timken crossing roller bearing provides super strong axial and radial load. Such bearing may ensure long time heavy cutting with very high precision, stability, low abrasion, good ventilation, and sturdy axle supporting force. Youji large type vertical base uses Tillman cross roller bearing. Such bearing provides very high precision, high loading, high rigidity, etc. Characteristic which is suitable for large processing workpieces and non-symmetrical processing workpieces. There are axis motor driving axes and 2-speed transmission case at the top of pump to enable large horsepower face milling, top milling, drilling, and tapping. All kinds of cutting tools for selection to enable more processing functions and bring down the investment cost on machine. It has high output power to match milling and drilling accessories and CF axle control to display heavy milling, drilling, and tapping multiple functions on one machine. A 12-pieces cutting tool block of cutting tool case is convenient for multiple processing demand. It enables fast tool selection at any side of case to achieve human control. The YV series vertical CNC lathes have been through strict QC of Youji company and to simulate all kinds of cutting conditions to proceed with strict test before shipment is arranged.